Welcome everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to solve the problem of restriction from Facebook. I've been noticing that whenever you post some videos or pictures, Facebook will strike you or will flag your video or your picture. Do you know the reason why? There are some settings in your phone that you need to correct to stop that. That's why you see some of the big content creators, when they post such picture or the video, they will not be striked. But whenever you post your video of you dancing or picture of you wearing some of your clothes, they will strike you. There are some settings you have to touch. From me, as I show you how to solve that issue. First of all, go to your Facebook, go to the up here. You go to that up here, you see three line. Click on it. When you click on it, go down to setting. When you go down setting, click on setting. Go to setting, go to followers and public. When you go to it, click on it. Then you go down, you will see what age restriction. That's where your problem lies. And you see on top of it, country restriction. If you don't want, if there is any country you don't want them to be seeing your video, you go to there, type the country, add them, and Facebook will block that person from seeing your video. But let's move to what brings us here. When you go to that age restriction, you will see public. That public is the reason why they usually flag your video or your pictures on Facebook, because that probably means that even children can see your content. But when you post that such picture, maybe these people posting big women with big this and big this, you say, this person is posting it, why won't I post? When you post, they will flag it. That shows that you can't, because even children are watching your content. But when you see on downward, you will see age 17 over 18 over. Then you shoot from this age. When you choose from these ones, but before you choose from it, remember that whenever you see the guideline there, you see it, read it very well. When you ever click on every one of these age restriction down there, when you click it and save it on your Facebook, if there are any of your followers that's not up to that age you selected, Facebook will automatically remove that person from your follower. So that's the first what I want you to bear in mind, so that you know it's saying, why am I followers reducing? Immediately you click on any of this restrictional age, they will automatically remove any one of your followers that is not up to that age. So bear it in mind. But if you want your video maybe when you are dancing to Facebook to allow them, choose from this age restriction, remove it from public, everything will be settled. But remember, there are some rules and regulations on Facebook, things you should not post on Facebook. And in my next video, I will teach you on that. So remember to do what? Like, share, drop your comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.